Alright guys, so Americade is happening today. We're just packing up the bikes. I never thought. It's one of those things, right? It's weird when it gets here. I've been planning this for like 6 months. Alright guys, Americade, here we go. Alright, so we're walking to the expo to see if there's a place that we can get my bike fixed. So hopefully we can find someplace. Fingers crossed.
I don't know. I don't remember. I make it. This is awkward. I'm not gonna lie.
No, it's not.
No,
it's fine.
Yeah.
You like this?
I do.
Yeah. What about your mug? Tell us about your mug.
Well, it's silver.
Yeah.
And it's lovely. I'm very pleased. It says Americade on this side, and on this side it says Wild Bill's. They make soda, which that's what they call it in the States. And their root beer is fantastic.
That's nice.
Yeah, no, I'm very pleased. And you get all the refills you want. But we had a half hour to do all the refills we want. So
Right.
One.
One.
No refills.
No, that's fair. Just so you know.
What's your...
Special to pair your new Senna with the acid.
I don't know. He's not even talking to anybody anymore. Rain Man is completely focused on it.
Right, so I thought I'd do a little touch base. It's day 2 at Americade. And so for those that you didn't know, my bike broke again because it's a long trip and that's what it does. So it looks like the hydraulic fluid just decided to bail out again on me. But luckily I got here. So that's good, I guess. Our friends were here with the trailer, Janice and Jeff, and they trailered me nicely to a shop to get it fixed. So it's working now, but should be permanently fixed, I hope, on Thursday. So tomorrow, because it's Wednesday right now. Is that right? Yeah. Went on some demo rides yesterday, which was good, and today's shopping day. So that's what's today. More stuff coming up for you guys. Today's supposed to be cloudy and rainy, so I don't think we'll do much demo rides. We'll see. The 3-wheeled Yamaha's here, so if I can get the opportunity, I might go take that for a rip. I'm tired. It's early. Worn out from yesterday. A little bit. Stressing about the bike again. I think it's time for me to get a new bike soon. Yeah, maybe soon. What do you guys think? Leave a comment if you think maybe. And if so, what bike? I'd stay in the V-Strom range, I think, because that's kind of what I like. Alright guys, day 2 or 3 or something, starting right now. Alright, so Mary and I are heading down to the expo. Gonna stop for breakfast. It's really bumpy. Really bumpy. And shopping day. The weather guy sucks so far. Every day he says it's gonna be sunny, rained, and today was supposed to be super rainy, and it's not rainy so far. So yeah. Alright, see you at the expo. Now I'm in video mode, so now I'm getting you. What do you?
I am the king of the world.
You are the king of the world.
The world.
Yeah.
Take that picture.
Take it in there.
Oh, it's a video.
Oh, you like it? What's going on the YouTubes?
All of it.
All of it.
It's all happening on the YouTube.
Yeah, it is.
You know what you're doing? You're capturing.
Oh,
Yeah.
now I gotta R-rate it. Now this
Yeah.
would have a rating now.
No, that's right.
Yeah.
monetize this.
Yeah. So it is the end of day 2-ish, and we are home, back at our room, and hopefully you guys can hear me, I think, possibly. It was nice most of the day, which was great, and we ended up going on a little boat tour, boat cruise, I guess. Alright, so tomorrow, Adam and I are heading out first thing in the morning, hopefully to get on a demo ride. And then I'm taking my bike back into the shop, hopefully, to get it fixed. And I hope it makes it there. And that's all. So, day 3, I think-ish, 3 or something, coming up shortly. Alright guys, stay with me.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me, when you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore.
Guys, so today we're going for a ride. I think it's between 300 and 400 kilometers. So that's coming up right away, I guess, for you guys. And it's going to be warm today. So 25 degrees Celsius, I think. So should be a nice day. Oh yeah, my bike's fixed. That's why we can go for a ride. Bike's fixed. Yeah. That's it. More Americade coming up.
We ain't perfect, no. It's some work in progress. Good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in, and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time, you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Lose them with you, lose them with you. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you.
is kind of the last day that we're here. We leave tomorrow. And so yeah, last minute shopping to see what's going on, see if we can get any deals. Went on a ride yesterday, which was awesome. Mary and I both thought that we would have to bring our bikes back into the shop about 100 kilometers in, which was awesome because we were both hearing this wah 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 wah. That's the sound. Wah 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 wah. Yep. And luckily we pulled over and I checked the chains and they were dry as sin. So really we just pulled into a gas station and got a can of WD-40, sprayed them up, we were good to go, and came back, got some chain lube, and we're good. No wah 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 happening anymore. So if you're running with a chain, make sure you bring some lube with you on your travels. Nothing wrong with bringing some extra lube with you. You never know what's going to happen. That's my friend Sean. No, you should. You should. Oh yeah, you'll like that comment. Alright guys, again, last full day here at Americade. We have a comedy show coming up tonight that we're going to, and a lot more walking around. Alright guys, Americade 2019.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom's overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. Took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest day. The summer's calling.
I'm waiting.